What would happen if Earth stopped spinning for 5 seconds? Imagine this for a moment. You are sitting calmly. Your phone is in your hand. Everything around you feels normal. And then, Earth suddenly stops spinning. Not forever, just for 5 seconds. It sounds short, but those 5 seconds would become the most terrifying moment in the history of our planet. How fast is Earth really spinning? Right now, Earth is spinning at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. That's faster than a jet aircraft. You don't feel it because everything around you, your body, buildings, oceans, and air, is moving at the same speed. Now imagine that speed dropping to 0 instantly. The first second, humanity is thrown forward. Earth stops, but you don't. Every person, car, animal, and object continues moving at the original speed. People would be thrown forward at over 1,000 kilometers per hour. Buildings would collapse, vehicles would flip, entire cities would be ripped apart in a fraction of a second. Survival would be almost impossible. The atmosphere turns into a monster. The air around Earth was also moving with the planet's rotation. When Earth stops, the atmosphere keeps going. This creates global superwinds faster than any hurricane or tornado ever recorded. These winds would strip forests, flatten cities, and scour the surface of the planet. Nothing standing above ground would remain intact. The oceans would rise like walls. The oceans would be even worse. Water doesn't stop instantly. Massive waves, thousands of feet high, would race across continents. This wouldn't be a tsunami. This would be a planet-wide ocean surge that swallows coastal cities instantly. Countries near the sea would disappear in seconds. Earth's crust begins to break. The sudden stop would send shock waves through Earth's interior. Tectonic plates would shift violently. Mega earthquakes would shake the planet. Dormant volcanoes would erupt together. Ash would block the sunlight. Day would turn to darkness. Fire, lava, and collapsing land would dominate the world. Chaos in the sky. Birds would lose direction. Airplanes would lose control. Satellites would fall out of orbit. Debris from space would rain down like fire. The sky itself would become deadly. 5 seconds end, but Earth is changed forever. After 5 seconds, Earth starts spinning again, but the world we knew is gone. More than 90% of life would be wiped out. Survivors would face toxic air, destroyed ecosystems, and a broken planet. Civilization would not recover. The terrifying truth. The good news is this: Earth suddenly stopping its rotation is almost impossible. There is no known force in the universe powerful enough to do this instantly. But this thought experiment shows us one thing: Earth's motion is what keeps life alive. Final thought. Earth keeps spinning. Day and night continue. Oceans stay in place. Life survives. If it ever stopped, even for a moment, everything would end. Just imagining it is terrifying.